Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi and let's do some analysis for tomorrow where we are going to take position and which direction. So first let me show in a weekly and monthly time frame what type of candlestick pattern exactly they are forming, so where we can understand the market. So last month we have seen there was a strong bearish candle, and right now middle of this month, but all the way we have seen some bullish confirmation. They are bouncing from specific level, and weekly time frame. So last week this is a strong bullish candle. So price are bouncing from a level of 15,200, and we expecting that price will give a correction somewhere around 17,000 near 5 to 600. So we are expecting, right? So if you not see like a daily time frame, and sorry, just a minute, daily time frame, so weekly, okay, daily time frame, last 2 days price are opening a gap up and exactly price near somewhere around resistance line. So before we are going to take any position, we have to analyze the global market. So let me show you global market. This one future indices futures. So most of the indices are neutral. Why most of the indices are neutral? Let me show you the event here. First, US unemployment report are stronger than expected payroll gain. This is the positive news. And another negative news, Fed aggressively tightening the monetary policy. So both are some indicator are pulling market toward the upside, and some indicator are pushing down again. So positive indicator is unemployment report, which is stronger than expected, and the negative are Fed aggressively tightening the monetary policy to control the inflation. That is why market I can say neutral. All right, buyer and seller up, so fighting each other. Okay, let's do some analysis in a daily and in a small time frame, and let's make a setup for tomorrow. So let's say both we have seen global market are neutral, and basically I'm expecting that tomorrow price will be sideways somewhere here. Okay, so tomorrow US market will close till around, let's say 8 p.m. okay, so our market will close before US market open. So I'm expecting that price will be sideways here. Let me make a setup. So first let me find out some support and resistance. Okay, so first I'm gonna draw some swing point. So that was a swing point, and another daily swing point somewhere here, this one swing point, and another downside somewhere here. So we have seen this the market range for tomorrow. If you see like week H1 time frame continuously price are running according to price action method. They are creating higher high and a higher low. So let me show you higher high, higher low, and exactly price somewhere near supporting line. So we are expecting the price opens above this around 16,200. So expecting that if any price from any bullish confirmation, so it's it will target around 16,400. So this is a strong resistance. Or if price open a gap down, it's a probability to pull back around 16,000. So in between this range we have seen 200 point gap. So 16,000 to 16,200, 16,200 to 16,400. means we expecting if price open a gap down, so our target will be around 16,000, and if price open a gap up, price are targeting around 16,400 for the buyer. Who people are looking for sell, or who people are using like a short strangle, so you just select that strike price. So expecting the price will stay in between the range, but basically right now according to weeks volatility index are low, so we are looking for below 20 when we are going to buy, and when we are looking to sell, it should be more than 20. Now it's around 18. Basically we are focusing on a buy. If price open somewhere there, definitely we'll buy, and our target will be around 16,000. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.